Hi everyone, welcome to Housewarmings. I'm Jason. I teach the cooking classes here at Housewarmings on the Big Green Egg. And since it's getting ready to become grilling season, although with the Big Green Egg there is no end to grilling season, but a lot of people have probably stopped using their eggs for the winter, possibly, put them up, and you have a lot of questions maybe about what to do now because you've opened up your egg, and now this one's not, but you're going to open it up and you're going to find that maybe it's, a little bit icky. Maybe it's even fuzzy from a little mold growing in there. The ceramic, it will allow that. That's completely normal. So we're going to say, even if you've neglected the egg and you need to take a shot at it, we're going to talk you through getting it ready for that grilling season. Just take out the grate. I take out the fire ring, set that aside safely somewhere. I like to take my ash tool and just give that, if you have any leftover charcoal, you still can use this charcoal. It's going to be good. So maybe give that a quick shake around, get the ash through. Going to reach in. Notice I have gloves on, so this is easy for me. I just like to take the bowl, charcoal, and fire grate all out in one swell foop. Now, you may or may not be able to see, everything's a little damp, everything's collected some water. That's what the ash is going to do. That's what the egg ceramic will allow to happen. You can see we got a little bit of that fuzzy mold growing on the sides there. I just like to take my pan, and since I'm wearing gloves and it's just going to be kind of sticky, we're just going to get the rest of that ash out of there. And you can see how it's kind of a little pasty. Now that's not because the egg leaked, but that's because it's been wet and the water in the air has been absorbed by the ash. We're going to take the fire bowl. Now, if you don't like it, some of these smaller bits like this, it might be a little bit tough for us to get this lit, but you just want to, but you can always use the charcoal. Charcoal doesn't go bad even if it gets wet. It'll eventually dry out again. You carefully set that bowl back down in there. Make sure that you align the notch in the bowl with the air intake here. I just stick my hand in so I know. Center up the bowl. Now, I didn't take the fire grate out, so that's still in there, and that's in there correct. Remember that you want the wider part of those holes in that fire grate to be on the underside. It's going to be narrower at the top and wider at the bottom, so you want to put it in that way. Some of your eggs might have grates that actually say this side up. We're going to put the fire ring back in. All right. Now's a good time for you to take a quick look at your gasket. Make sure that that's in good shape. This one's, feels pretty good. Feels pretty solid. It's all there. It's all attached. It's a little hard and a little dirty, but probably serviceable for another year. All right. And then you just load it up with a new load of charcoal and fire it up. Add a little charcoal to this, what you have. Or if you're throwing out your charcoal or you didn't have any charcoal, just take it over. You fire it up, you get it lit like you would you normally light your egg, and you're going to want to run it up to about 500-600 degrees and run it that way for at least 15 to 45 minutes. 15 minutes, maybe, but let's say 30 minutes. You're going to want to run it for 30 minutes at about 500 to 600 degrees, good and hot. That'll burn off anything that you had growing in there. All the mold, anything that you had growing in there will just disappear, and you'll have a nice, good, clean seasoned egg. no water, no chemicals, no solvents, no cleaner, nothing's necessary, and never use any of those on your big green egg. So, and then once you do that, you're back to happy grilling. Enjoy.